Hello guys, this is Bright from Agitech, and today I'm going to take you through a quick tutorial on how to save desktop backgrounds as themes for sharing. Now, we begin by first of all learning how to set an image as our desktop background. So first, get our image as I have over here. I can right click on it, set as desktop background, or I can preview the image first, right click on it and set it as desktop background. Now you can see our desktop background has changed entirely. Okay, now we can set a group of images as our desktop background. First of all, we right click on our desktop, go to personalize, and then we go down here to desktop background, browse for an image or the group of images. So we need to enter, and over here I have a group of images inside this Assassin's Creed folder. So I choose it and it will select all images within it. I can save changes, and that's all. Images will keep on changing per my theme settings. Now, after saving this image, we can see it has turned into what? A desktop theme. I can go ahead and customize it by going to desktop backgrounds, changing the, the interval for which the images will be changing. I can choose 30 minutes, I can choose 30 seconds. For the benefit of this tutorial, I want to choose 1 minute. Now I can play around with the position of the picture. Normally I choose fill so that it will fill up my desktop. I can save changes, and now I have it over here, so it will work per my settings. So if I wait for about a minute, you see this image change. Now let's get to the real agenda. Okay, so now what we really want to do is we want to save this theme so that we can share it with others, right? So we can first of all click on this save theme link, right? We can click on it and save it, or we can right click on the theme. We can see it's on save theme, right click on it and save the theme. But what we really want to do is we want to save theme for what? Sharing. So we choose save theme for sharing, give a location where we want to save it, give it a name, let's say Assassin's Creed, right? Let's save it. You can see it has been saved onto my desktop, right? Okay, now I have Assassin's Creed as a theme. I can right click on this and choose open, or I can double click and it will install Assassin's Creed. So now you can see Assassin's Creed as what? A theme. Now what we want to do is we want to share this particular desktop theme with our friends, right? We have the theme, we can share with them, but it's mostly advisable for us to keep these particular files inside a zip file, or we need to zip it. We can do that by right clicking on it, going to WinRAR or any zip software or program that we have, add it to archive, give it a name. As we can see, I have Assassin's Creed the RA. So when I choose OK, it will give me what? Assassin's Creed. I can either do that one, do the same thing by right clicking on it, going to Power ISO, add to image file. Now I can choose the type, let's say ISO file, go to OK, and as you can see I have an ISO format as well. So now I can either get rid of this, right? But you see, this is the theme I'm using right now. So first of all, I need to go back to personalize, change the theme. Now I can get rid of Assassin's Creed. Get it? So I can send these files to my friend or anyone who really likes my theme for sharing. And one thing about this is it contains your settings. Your friends can change those settings after they install it. So now, if a friend gives you a desktop theme, or you give this theme to a friend, let's say the Raphael, all that your friend needs to do is to what? Open this, can extract it. Let's say we're extracting it to the desktop. Okay, now your friend has this theme file, right? You can right click on it, go to properties and check the file type of file, Windows desktop theme pack file. So in actual sense it's what? A theme for Windows desktops. That's Windows 8.1, Windows 7 and all that. Yeah. So now all your friend needs to do is right click, go to open or double click, and your friend has this theme installed. You can personalize themes by clicking on them, going to properties, changing color settings, sounds and all other stuff. Like if I want to change the interval of the time, can come back here and change it to 5 minutes. Right? Save changes. I can also remove some of the images. I can remove this one, get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this, right? And save changes. And as you can see, immediately I save changes, it changes into a new what? Unsaved theme. So all that I can do is I can either save the theme by giving it Assassin's Creed. Let's say Assassin's Creed 2, right? Save this. And now your friend also has what? A new theme of his. They can share this particular theme again with a friend, or they can even choose to add, they can choose to even add other pictures as well. So now you get it. So you can either choose this one which uses 3 minutes, or you can choose this one which uses 5 minutes, right? So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thanks. Bye.